Welcome back to my channel. I am making an air fryer recipe with beef sirloin, tiger dill sauce, mushrooms, and it's gonna be keto. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video because I know you're gonna like it. Yeah, you're gonna love this. So let's go. I just took a damp paper towel and then I wiped down my mushroom caps and then I just laid them on this paper towel. So I'm just gonna get that off now. I actually bought mushroom caps because I thought it would be easier to cut them. I bought 2 packages. They were 6 ounces each. So this is 12 ounces of mushroom caps. And all I'm gonna do is basically quarter them because I don't want them too small. Because you want it to be nice and chunky. When you're putting it with your sirloin, it's going to be really nice and the same size. And it's going to cook up similarly too. There you go, donezo. So watch this. We're gonna put it right into the bowl. Here it goes. Put it into the bowl. This is what I bought from Publix. I just left there. I got top sirloin fillets. It doesn't have to be a fillet. It can just be top sirloin. But to be honest with you, this was actually cheaper when I went to Publix than even just regular top sirloin. So I got the fillets. A little bit more, over 1 pound. Chop these up into cubes. That's perfect. I mean, what are they? 1 by 1? 1 by 1. Yeah, going in. That's it. Simple. Bang. And wait till you see the sauce. I used to work at Outback when I was young, and I was a bartender, and I loved that job. So my favorite sauce was the tiger dill sauce. So I thought, you want to know what? Insider secrets. I'm going to give you guys the recipe to the party. There we go. Okay, let me clean this off. 1 sec. I've got 3 cloves of garlic. Smash it. Choppity-do. This is going to add some really nice flavor while still being keto-licious. In my day, it was Atkins, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. If you remember the Atkins diet, comment below. Scoop it, boom it. Get it in there. Let's put some seasonings in. I'm going to use Lawrys. Lawrys seasoned salt. It's going to go like this, watch. Take the cap off. I'm putting a tablespoon. It's got salt in it, but you need some seasoning for all this. So I'm just gonna open up my table salt pepper and put some in. A little more garlic powder. I'm gonna put some Worcestershire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 tablespoons. Wow, don't miss any of that garlic. You know it's good. Let's put some olive oil in it. Or you can use avocado oil. 1, 2, 3. Mix it up. Now here's the thing. You gotta let this marinate. Now when you mix, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so flippin' good. We're gonna set this aside and let this marinate. The longer you marinate, the better. I'm washing my hands, y'all. And a little bit more of this. I like more. Son of a... Guess what, y'all? We are not even going to stress out because we don't stress out in this kitchen, okay? No, we don't. Watch what I do. You ready for this? Let's not stress. That's A. Watch. B, we're getting another bowl. I'm gonna take this bowl. I'm gonna take the side that is not full of Lawrys. I'm gonna move it. Look, perfect. There you go. That's fine. That's the side that has it all in it. Then, what I'm gonna do, look, that's it. I'm just gonna go wash this off. Hold up. Disaster averted. Look, patted it dry, rinsed it, mixed it in, and we're back in business. Because you gotta marinate this for about an hour. For our tiger dill sauce, we're gonna need sour cream, prepared horseradish, make sure it's prepared horseradish, and fresh dill or dried dill. If you want to use dried dill, you're going to cut the recipe in half because the dried dill is more potent, but this is way better. So just get the fresh dill. This is a full cup, so I'm just going to put a half a cup in there. Horseradish in here. A 1/4 cup of prepared horseradish, so 4 tablespoons. Seems like a lot. but when it sits in the refrigerator, it actually gets less potent. So you need that much. Okay, dilly, nice and small like this. Put it in. So I'm gonna put a little bit, like a teaspoon, some salt. I need a little bit more salt, some more pepper. We're gonna put a little bit of mayo in there. About 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon in there. Delicious. Set it up, put it in the refrigerator as long as possible, at least an hour. It fit in there pretty nicely. I'm gonna do 400. I'm gonna do 10 minutes, but what I'm gonna do is shake it in the 5-minute mark. Taste test. Perfect. It is perfect. It is moist. It is juicy. It is perfect. Guys, this is so unbelievably delicious. You have to try this. Make it, comment back. Let me know how you like it. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's time to subscribe. And